Stars and Stripes Lighting, your destination for quality lighting solutions. Stars and Stripes Lighting is your go-to source for energy-efficient LED commercial and residential lighting fixtures. We offer a wide variety of lighting options to meet the needs of businesses, offices, retail spaces, warehouses, and exterior applications. Our mission: educating and innovating. At Stars and Stripes Lighting, we are committed to educating consumers about the different types of lighting available for both commercial and residential use. Our goal is to provide the latest in lighting design and innovation trends, delivering a best-in-class experience through our website. With decades of knowledge in interior and exterior lighting design, our lighting specialists are ready to assist you. Energy efficiency is key. We strongly believe in the importance of energy efficiency when it comes to lighting. That's why we offer products that are more efficient than traditional options, helping you save energy and reduce your carbon footprint. Our team stays up to date with the latest products on the market to provide you with the best energy-efficient lighting solutions. Sustainability matters. We handpick durable and long-lasting lighting products for both commercial and residential consumers. We understand that lighting should be an investment that lasts a lifetime. No matter your style, we have the perfect lighting collection to meet your design needs. Lighting is personal. We recognize that everyone has their own unique ideas and tastes when it comes to lighting. We take pride in connecting with our customers and offering personalized assistance, whether it's answering technical questions, researching product information, or providing design tips. Our dedicated team is here to help. Discover a wide range of unique and innovative lighting solutions at Stars and Stripes Lighting. Visit our website to explore our collection and find the perfect lighting options for your space. Learn more at starsandstripeslighting.com.